Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the stickers, dashboards, and all the other extras from the September 2025 Chapters of September collection. We've got some fun other elements this month, including our stamp set, our pouch, and our dashboard. So let's get started. We're going to start with our stamp set. This is the weekday / numbers stamp set using our Bumble font. It's really playful and fun, and you can see it's got different flowers and leaves and things like that in this stamp set. Super cute. We also have our dashboards, and these are beautiful. You can frame them, put them around your house. You can add them to your memory keeping, your journaling, all kinds of things. So you receive both sizes. You receive the personal size and the A5 size. So let's take a look at the A5 just so you can get a better look at them. We have this beautiful floral in the corners within that I'll call it crosshatch / plaid. I don't know. I'm sure it has a really technical name. One sip closer to functional. This beautiful, it's just exquisite. The blue, the phrase, all of it is really very beautiful. Then we have another one that is similar in that it has an encouraging phrase and has the grid on the background, and it is framed with those cute florals we've seen throughout the collection. We have Hello September, and we have this really cute one that we have seen in different elements in the collection, currently Peaching Myself Together. So as I said, the personal size are the same artwork, they're just scaled for the personal size, and you receive all of these when you subscribe to our dashboards. And I think these are a total winner. They're super cute. All right, so last but not least, we have our pouch. This month, it is definitely a little bit different. So you can see here, it is like a small tote bag. And look how cute, like you can fit so much stuff. So you're thinking, I don't really go anywhere. I don't paper craft on the go. That's cool. First of all, you don't have to use it for that. You can use it for anything. But imagine if you're going to cart some different things around the house. You can just bring your planner and your pens and all of those things inside this bag. So you can see right here how so many things are going to fit beautifully in this bag. I've added the dashboards, I've added the stamps, I've added the sticker set, and there's still so much more room in this little tote bag. It's very cute. It's a heavy duty canvas. It has a gusset. You can see that right there. And then on the front has that adorable sort of library due date card artwork, and then the little handles too. So that is the pouch from the Chapters of September kit. As always, check out our website to subscribe and to see pictures of all of the items. I love stickers. Do you love stickers? Let's take a look at all of the stickers included in the Chapters of September collection. So we have our calendar sticker kit. These are perfect for the monthly view in a Hobonichi Weeks or in our Daisy Weeks notebook. And you can see it's these 2 sheets, and there are lots of different things included. So dates, days of the week, icons, some boxes, and then a handful of decorative bits too. So that is the calendar sticker kit. We also, for the Hobonichi Weeks or Daisy Weeks, we have the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. This has a vellum sheet, this is vellum stickers, with these decorative boxes, but then we also have these dates and then the little washi type strips. There is also, oh, look at that, some cute little decorative elements, plus some headers at the bottom. Menu plan, groceries this week, next week, and some trackers. There are a bunch of boxes and also some decorative at the bottom. We have some more trackers and then some cute decorative strips. Aren't those so cute? I love those. All of these nice, beautiful decorative bits. And then also the icons, and then these for the dates. So you can put those little date stickers on top of these boxes. So that is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Next up is our planner sticker kit. And this sticker kit is perfect for planners that have a 1.5 inch wide column. So basically like an Erin Condren or Happy Planner, like that type of vertical 1.5 inch wide box. It comes with these cute little vellum bullet point stickers in the variety of colors from the collection. We have these full boxes. Aren't those so cute? I love the art. There is these checklists, trackers, and then also like these that you can write, say meal planning or whatever, plus some dates. More boxes, including boxes for writing things, trackers, some headers, and then hydration. A full sheet of really cute decorative stickers. Then we also have a sheet with these boxes, the reminders, and the headers. And then last but not least is a vellum sticker sheet that has both the washi type strips and then these watercolor swatches. So these are the planner sticker kit. All right, next up is our classic cousin sticker kit. These are sized to work perfectly in an A5 Hobonichi cousin. You can see there are the days of the week, and then there are also the icons. We have some alphabet stickers, some date stickers, and some washi strip type stickers. A full sheet of really cute decorative stickers. A sheet of reminders and checklists and trackers. And then a sheet of boxes, both decorative and then also the kind you can write in. These boxes are approximately 1 by 1 3/8 wide, so they fit perfectly in the weekly view of the A5 Hobonichi cousin or any planner that is sized like that. Then we have another sheet of the boxes, a different type of writing boxes, and then the decoratives. And then a sheet of decorative vellum stickers that includes the washi strips at the bottom. So that is the classic cousin sticker kit. We also have our Bible journaling sticker kit, and this one is beautiful and includes this sheet of decorative stickers, a sheet of different shape labels, a sheet of washi type strips plus some dates. Then we have some word stickers, phrase stickers, and then a handful of smaller boxes and labels. We have a beautiful sheet of alphabet stickers, and then we have a sheet of decorative vellum stickers. So all of those are included in the Bible journaling sticker kit, and you can subscribe to this kit on our website. All right, how about our memory keeping sticker kit? We have all these fun prompts / words. These boxes are 2 inches wide and they work perfectly in our Daisy planner, and also say like a big happy planner that includes a 2-inch wide columns. We have another sheet of those boxes and then some labels and washi strip type stickers. We have some decorative stickers. We have the alphabet stickers. We have a sheet that has the dates and then some phrase stickers, some circle labels, and then decorative stickers, and then a handful of washi strips. And then one last sheet of vellum stickers that have all of these decorative elements. So this is the memory keeping sticker kit. And then the last sticker kit we're going to take a look at is our Daisy Add-On Sticker Kit. This sticker kit goes with anything. It is just a extra sticker kit that you can use in your planner, your journal, your scrapbooking, any different format that you wish. So this first sheet has some decorative elements and then some phrases at the bottom. There is another sheet of decorative stickers and then also includes some smaller little labels at the bottom. A sheet of alphabet stickers. And then lastly, there is a sheet of vellum decorative stickers that includes like some of the washi type strips. You can subscribe to this Daisy Add-On Sticker Kit or any of the sticker kits on our website, cocodaisy.com.